Adventure time. Adventure at our level at least. Welcome back to the channel. It's a nice cool fall morning, early October. The leaves are starting to change colors. So we're gonna do a one-nighter with some friends. We're not going very far north, but like I said, the colors are changing here, so hopefully we'll see some good colors up there. So it's gonna be chilly. We're gonna take our little buddy heater and our 0-degree bag, and hopefully you'll stick around and come along, see what we see. Okay, I've got a confession to make. We watch a lot of overlanding videos with Venture Forward and Lifestyle Overland and Epic Family Road Trip, and I get a little jealous when I see the epic views, and I take Michigan for granted. But ladies and gentlemen, look at this view. This is on the Manistee River in about north central Lower Peninsula. It's amazing. Michigan really is beautiful. Like I said, I take it for granted, but this is in our backyard, man.
Am I beautiful?
You are beautiful, baby.
All right, we just got to our campsite. We are at Baxter. Is it Baxter Bridge?
Yep.
Baxter Bridge Campground. Got tent set up. Got our friends. Got our friends Dan and Twyla over there. We're gonna go visit them. All right. Been sitting around the fire with Dan and Twyla for a little bit, just enjoying their company, getting the fire going, and getting into the early evening, dinner time. So Lisa's got it again.
What are you having, babe?
Egg roll in a bowl. Simple, quick.
Simple, quick, and if you're into that, it is keto. Yeah? Yeah. And it's delicious.
So what are you putting in that?
This one's garlic. The first one I put in was ginger.
And you started with what kind of sausage there?
I got Baba and spicy sausage.
Spicy.
Next, we're going to stir in the cabbage. I don't know how much you plan on eating. Kiko Man. Soy sauce. Low sodium for me.
We're gonna add a couple of eggs to it. I usually scramble them in a Ziploc here.
Easy cleanup.
Yeah.
Egg nest.
Egg nest. Oh,
Oh,
it is raining pine needles here. You can leave that in if you want. Secret recipe, I guess.
Secret ingredient.
Ah.
Where you going with my egg?
The breeze, wind caught the bag. Alright.
The measurement.
Every time a little breeze comes along, more pine needles are falling on us. So she's got her little egg nest in there to scramble.
When it gets hot enough.
Keep the pine needles out.
And last but not least, sesame oil.
How's it going, babe?
Good. It's all done. Other than maybe a little bit of the hot sauce.
Oh, yeah.
And then usually we use sriracha, but somebody may have forgotten it. So we're going to go with Cholula. Never forget that.
And it wasn't me that forgot the sriracha.
I'm going to go with it as him. He's probably sitting by my knife.
That might have been my fault. Alright, I think we're ready to eat.
Yes. Thank you.
Awesome.
Well, that should be plenty. Maybe too much. Yeah.
This guy's shirt. Cover you.
And it's cold.
Ooh, the plate's hot already. We made
A lot.
plenty. Could have had Dan and Twyla for dinner. Alright, set that there. Keep the pine needles out for a bit till I come back for more. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. Didn't get too bad last night. It was pretty chilly, I should say. But with the 0-degree bag, and then we had our little buddy heater in the tent. So when we first got up there, turned on the little buddy for just a little bit, warmed up the tent air, then shut it off and used just the 0-degree bag. And how'd you do, baby?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
That's once my feet got warm.
She has issues with circulation in her feet, so that took a while to get her feet warm. But once that was good, that bag's great. We're really liking it. So had a nice sleep last night. We're getting the coffee going, and we'll get some breakfast.
Yes,
Some breakfast going in just a little bit. All right, coffee is perking. The eggs and sausage are getting going for the breakfast burritos. Nice hot breakfast on a cool morning at camp's nice. Alright, as you can see, we're all packed up. Gonna head toward home, and I think we're gonna catch some trails on the way and stop and grab a little bit later lunch, early dinner maybe. Lunch, dinner, dinner. So yeah, hit some trails, stop and get some dinner, and I don't know, we'll see what else we run into along the way. Stick around. midweek, found out we had some issues with the Jeep. We didn't think we were gonna get to go out this weekend. So fortunately my cousin, thanks Larry, got our Jeep going. We got it back Friday night and we were able to get out this weekend with our friends Dan and Twyla. Got to go explore some trails, see some of Michigan's colors and some beautiful overlooks, and just run some trails, enjoy some time around the campfire, and get into fall camping. So turned out to be a great weekend. Weather cooperated and just had a great time. Just ended up eating in Cadillac, Michigan at the Clam Lake Beer Company.
That's it.
The Clam Lake Beer Company. Good food. The beer was good too. So yeah, just wrapping this one up. Had a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed the video. So we adventured our level. Get out and adventure your level. Thanks for watching.